Bloody rats. I fucking hate them. Dirty bastards. They are destroying my car quicker than I can fucking well repair it. So this is my windscreen wipers. And they've chewed the absolute fuck out of them. Oh, I can even smell it. Stinking bastards. I'm going to be bringing some bait down. And I'm going to bait the crap out of these bastards. Meantime, try and repair this. Bloody hell. I'm just sort of like twisting the wires back up a bit to start. As I said, I'm just getting this thing back on the bloody road. I am not fucking arsing around replacing every part here, there and everything unless it absolutely has to. So right at this second I am just going to re-insulate these and see if my friggin' windscreen wipers now work. As I was trying to figure out why my wipers didn't work, I was thinking, well, it's probably blown the motor. You know, the wiper motor might be fucked. And I really don't think they die that often because there doesn't seem to be any brand new ones for sale online. You know, like aftermarket. Fucking hell. This doesn't want to stick. I might have to get some... might have to get some hot snot down here, coat these wires in it, giving an insulation, because this is not fucking sticking at all. And it's pretty decent tape. It's Nitto. I've never had any problems with it before. Oh dear. I'll be glad when this bloody thing gets back on the road. Tell ya, it's been 5 years. How time flies. Holy shit. Right, how's that? We got one redone. Let's do this one here. Twist the wires up. Right, that's looking a bit better. Yeah, what happened was I had this thing in here on fucking car stands. I was in the middle of changing over the brakes to big brakes off a VT. I had a VT station wagon out the front, like just in the front yard. And so I was about to start taking all the brakes off the VT and putting them on this one, and then we had a fucking tropical cyclone come in, and for the first time in like 15 years or something, we had a bloody major flood. A flood big enough to come over the flood levee, which then took out this car and all my workshop and shit like that. And I don't know what the fuck's happened, but they put through, this is what they reckon anyway, right? They reckon because of the new highway they put through, and they didn't manage the new highway properly across the floodplains, and all the water that was supposed to leave last year during a fucking major goddamn downfall just didn't leave. They got stuck, and everyone got absolutely smashed. 2 meters taller than the flood has ever been. And it's pretty amazing really, because when I first bought this house in 97 or something, 97? 2007, 97, I can't remember now. We hadn't had a big flood for fucking 20 years. And then all of a sudden, well, not all of a sudden, well, another 20 years later, basically, 2007. We had the big storm in 2017, and then again last year. So, I'm going to do my best to get the smeg out of here, but it's a bit hard. We're hoping the government's going to buy the house off us, because it's fucked. So, alright, well, that's wrapped up. What do we got here? There's another one here that's got a missing a bit of bark on it, so I might put a bit over that one as well while I'm here, and we'll plug it back in and we'll see if there's any chance my windscreen wipers will work. I may need to check the fuses, but if they work I'll be very happy, because that's another thing off the checklist. I still can't get my friggin' horns working though. I don't know what the fuck's going on. I can hear the relay clicking, but I just can't get it. I've got to do all this to the wires in the boot too. I haven't fucking insulated my tail lights. Alright. Okay. Let's see how we go there. I'll have a look around here, see if there's other bloody places fucking that the rats have eaten the bastard. I've been gnawing on bits and pieces all over the place here. Dirty little fuckers. Oh, I hate mice. I hate mice to pieces. Ugh. Come on. All this shit's gotta go in there. And such. That's gotta go in there. That's gotta go in there. Right, let's plug this bitch in like such, and fucking pray to the Commodore gods that my windscreen wipers will now work. Nothing. That works. No windscreen wipers.